Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to guide you how you can use Shopify Metafields to create your product page more dynamic and stand out. So for example, you just need to go to the Shopify store. Then here you can see my store. Let me show you my store here. So this is actually my store here. So here is all of the products. So there is actually no Metafields if I show you. So there is no Metafields here. So let me show you. I have to scroll all over down. So there you can see there is no Metafields, but we can actually add the Metafields here by simply doing these steps. So you have to follow my steps one by one properly, so you don't need to miss any important steps. So first you have to go to the settings here. Then you will find a bunch of different settings. Now from among those you can find custom data. So you can simply go to the custom data and you can find the metafield definitions, where you can find a custom piece of data to specify a specific part of your store. So you can add your products, you can add variants, you can add collections, customers, orders, draft orders, location, pages, blogs, blog posts, markets. So I'm going to go with the products here. So here you can find different types of product metafields already added to customize my product section here. So this is actually the default according to the apps and the template that actually added it by themselves. So here you can add some product you can use them in some products here. So but we are going to create a custom metafield. So for that you have to simply click on add definition here. So after click on this add definition button, you will find this name section, so where you can name that metafield. Actually I'm going to add like video. Now here is video, then namespace and key. So here it has just added by itself but default custom video. Now here is the descriptions, where you can you can actually add a description for it. For example, airsoft gun promotional video. Now you can select the type from here. What type of file do you want to integrate? Like what type of metafield that you want to integrate? Like single line text. You can add a metafield for single line text, multi-line text, integer, decimal, product, file, date and time, date, and also more of things are available actually from here. You can add that actually. You can add URLs, links, or JSON here. So we are going to embed a code. That's why we're going to select this JSON here. So developers need to use this type of thing. So we are going to change it right now. That's why, just because of so we are going to go with multi-line text here. Now here is the category assignment. So you can select the category assignment, that what category you want to use for what category video is it. For example, let's see what actually go with this business and industry. Then like anything from here. Let me show toys and games and products, add-ons, and that's enough. Now simply click on it. Now it has just already added all of these categories, so it can just define the video. So here's the validation, so you can use the maximum minimum character and maximum character here. So you can simply click on save. So I'm going to save it right now. So here it has a save that here it is. So here is the meta object here. So we are going to get back to the meta object here. So here you can find that meta object definition, where you can add some meta object definition if I want so, but we are going to skip that right now, or otherwise you can simply add definition here. So you can define about that meta field what it actually worked for. Now you can go to the product. So let me show you. If I go to the product here, for example this one, so we can find the metafield. Here it is. So no product metafield spin. So you can simply view all. So here you can add some products, a products metafield, and you can add some products here categories. So you can unpin a complementary product. So you can add some product here. To select product here, you have to select all the product that you want to assign for that metafield here. So I'm going to add all of these products here. So I have just added. Now related product settings, you can add some settings here if you want, so like ahead or all the minimal. So I'm going to with this ahead, but a option here. Now related product here, so you can select related product or search product boost. So we are done with that. Now here you can simply click on this save to save these changes. So we are going back to the collections and to the products, and let's see if it's added that Metafields. Here is, so we have just added the multiple texture, so we are going to add another one like from this settings. So from here the custom data and the products here, and we are going to add some more like product and the videos, some video too, and we are going to add something like files. We are going to add the files here, so one file, or you can add some list of files. So one file here, so select the category that you want to add some, for example the business and industrial and choice here, sporting goods, and yes, done. So here you can add, if you have select the one file, so I'm going to just deselect. You can deselect that image. So here is a separative format, that MOV and MP4, and file size must be under 1 GB here. So here is the option that storefront API access definition can be used in your custom storefronts and related apps. So you can save it. Now I'm going to save that here. And here you can see I have just saved that two type of video Metafields here. So we are going to get to the editor. So you have to go to the wallet stores and theme, and you have to go click on this customize button here, and you will find this editing section here, and we are going to get the products here. So here is the products. So we are going to simply click on any product here. So let's see. Here we can actually add Metafields from add a section here. So in template we can add any section, so simply click on add section here. So we are going to add some video. So if we click on video, so the video has been added. So we are going to add this at before the related product here. So we can just add this video from here. Here it is. This actually it will actually integrate the video from the YouTube. So you can simply click on that, and at the right side you can find our embed video with URL. You can embed that video with URL, or you can select the video from your file manager. You can simply click on select, and you can upload that file video if you have one. So I'm going to embed a video with URL. So here is the video, the promotional video. So you just have to simply click on share and simply click on copy, and you can actually paste that from here. So here it has just loaded the video, so you have to wait until it loads here. So simply here you can add some like some, you can add the alt text here, video alt text here. I'm going to edit it, and here it is loading actually. So here you can also add some cover image if you want. So I'm going to select a cover image from here. For example, this is the cover image. So simply click on done. So it will add the cover image on that video just like this. So it's pretty much cool, and you can actually add something like here. Also you can add anything. So if you want to now save it, now let me show you more things here from here for more Metafields here. For example, this product here. So we are going to show you some, like here you can see it has just added to every section, every product section here. So also you can add more sections here, like you can add it, and from here image with text, you can add image with text section here. So here you can see we have just added. Now we are going to place it before here. Yes, that. Now from here you can find the image here. So you can select it, and you can select any video if you have. So then you can find that I don't have any video right now, so you can select it and you can add some video from here, and it will actually add it to all fields. So from here you can add something. Let me show you. We are going to delete that from here. So like this, and we are going to add some custom liquid. Here it is. So we have just added some custom liquid. So here is the liquid code, we can add it. So we are going to that video now here, and here is embed code. So we are going to copy that embed code from here, and we are going to paste that code here, and let's see how it look like this. Here you can see it has just embedded the video, and it's pretty much cool, I think. So you can use this padding here, you can select the padding here, you can select bottom if you want, so like this. And also, yeah, you can add that video like this, and it's pretty much cool. So that's how you can use the Metafields on your Shopify stores. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time, and don't forget to save your changes so you won't miss every changes from your shop. That's all.